Let's work on an order together, except this time we're going to be making 5 rings rather than 2. Also, if you're looking for an affordable gift idea for the holidays, I definitely recommend checking out our jewelry because our whole entire shop is pretty much on sale, and you could get most of our adjustable rings for only $6. Not to mention, we also have a ton of customizable options. Anyways, let's get started on this order. So this person got 5 rings total, and they wanted every single one in a size 8, and these are all the stamps that we're going to be working with today. As you can see, there's quite a few. We have some sun, moon, and star stamps, some flower stamps, a butterfly stamp, and a zodiac sign. We're actually going to go ahead and start with the sun stamp first, just because the first ring that's on our list to make is our Pocket of Sunshine ring, and I do only use a half sun for this ring design, so I just stamp the ring once right into the middle, and then I flip the piece of metal over and stamp a sun on each side of the first one that we stamped, and then I flip the metal over one last time and stamp on the remaining 2 suns. The second ring that we're going to be making is a lot more simpler than this one, just because it is one of our zodiac rings. So this person wanted the Gemini symbol, and like I said, this one's super simple. I just stamp it once right into the middle of the ring. Now for the third ring, we're going to be making our big star, little star ring. So we do need our 2 star stamps. And for this one, I always start with the big star right in the middle, and then I stamp a small star on each side of that. And lastly, I just repeat that pattern all the way around the ring. The next ring that we're making is actually one of our customizable options, which is our custom birth month flower ring. And this person wanted a pattern of the birth month flowers for both July and May. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the July flower first, and then stamp a May flower on each side of that. And same thing as the previous rings, just repeat that pattern all the way around the ring. Now we are officially on to the last and final ring, which is our Ava ring, and this one is actually a customer designed piece and is a patterned ring that consists of butterflies, moons, and stars. For this one, I always start with the butterfly stamp first, and then I stamp a small star on each side of that, along with a moon on each side of the stars, and same thing as all the other rings, I just repeat that pattern all the way around. Once all 5 rings are fully stamped, I put them together and add on this ink, that way the engraving's more visible. But also, while I'm adding on this ink, I wanted to mention that not only are these rings super affordable, but they're also made from aluminum, so they'll never turn your fingers green. Anyways, right now I'm just wiping off the excess ink, and here's how all 5 rings turned out. Let me know which one's your favorite.